Hey Cherries, today I am here with a home decor project. I am using these foam cones and I'm going to make some Christmas trees. So I got these cones and then I noticed that there actually aren't any tips on these cones. That's just how they're made. So I wanted there to be tips on there. I first tried it with scrunching up some wax paper and then taping it on. Spoiler alert, that didn't work. So I end up trying something else, which you'll see in a little bit here, which actually did work really well. So I figured I needed some more foam, and I thought that cutting it out from the bottom would be a good place to get it. So I grabbed a craft knife and started cutting around. I needed it to go a little bit deeper into the cone, so I'm using my scissors. If you do this, make sure that you're very careful and you don't cut yourself. But this did get me a piece of foam the size and shape that I needed. So from here, I was able to just glue it on. And again, I'll give you another spoiler alert. I was not patient for the glue to dry, so what I ended up doing is sticking a toothpick in there, and that held it on really well, and I didn't have any troubles after that. Right now you can see I'm just shaping it a little bit more using my craft knife and making sure it just lines up nicely with the bottom part of the cone. And from here, I am just using some scrubby sparkle yarn and wrapping the tree with it. I'm completely covering the cone. There's different colors of this scrubby sparkle that you could use. I liked this really bright green. It's like a Grinch green. I think it's a really bright and colorful Christmas color, which I've been trying to add in my home decor a little bit more, just a little bit of that brighter Christmas look. So I wrapped it around a lot. I still have quite a bit of this skein of yarn. I bet I could make maybe 4 of these trees like this, maybe 5. I grabbed 2 different cone sizes and they're both different sizes, so I could stack them together. And the process that you can see that I'm doing on this cone, I end up doing on the second one as well. I here am just tying it off. The tie wasn't that great, so I actually ended up grabbing some Mod Podge and gluing down the loose part, and that seems to have worked really well. And because I had the Mod Podge out already, I decided to glue around the base just to make sure none of this yarn would slip off. And then I did it to the tip of the tree as well. And after I had all of the glue on there and it dried, it did seem pretty sturdy. And here they are finished. You could add beads on here or lights or anything else. I'd love to know if you did this and how you personalized it.